Hey everyone, what's up guys? How are you guys doing today? Okay guys, so you're welcome back to my channel and you're welcome back to today's video. Now in today's video guys, I'm gonna be showing you a great way that you can use this and few other ingredients to get rid of your dental plaque. Now do not let that thing embarrass you anymore. Now dental plaque is a build-up of leftover food in your teeth that you've actually not washed out, and then it becomes very solid and it looks yellowish and very irritating to see. Okay, so if you're aiming to get rid of your dental plaque and tartar, you are at the right video, okay, because I'm going to be showing you how you could get rid of all of your dental plaque and equally get a whiter teeth. So this I have here is apple, and I'm literally going to be getting the juice of this apple. Well, I would have used apple cider, but the juice of this apple is actually perfect for this. Okay, so I'm definitely going to be getting the juice out. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to be creating it. I would have blended it anyways, but I feel that I just want to create it today. Okay guys, so I'm actually going to be sieving the apple juice out. The juice is basically what I'm going to be needing for this, okay? So you're not going to be adding any water, just the juice of the apple is basically what you are going to be needing. Alright, so this is my apple juice. Okay, this is the much I can get for a half apple. Okay, so to remove all of those plaque and tartar and to get a very clean teeth, you're going to be needing to put in baking soda, and I'm going to be putting 2 tablespoons of this baking soda. Into this remedy. Okay. So what I'm going to do now is that I'm going to be putting Colgate. Okay, so it could be foamy, and so it could actually work really fine. Well, you can use any white toothpaste you have, okay, but for me right now I'm gonna be using Colgate for this. And this is how it is. Okay, so to make this even better, we're going to be making use of orange, or you can actually use lime or lemon, but I'm gonna be using orange because I don't need it to be too harsh. Okay, so but if you want, you can equally use lemon if you don't have orange. So I'm gonna squeeze in just a little orange into this mix. Oopsie, so I don't want it to be too liquidy. Okay, so that is better, and this is actually a very good consistency. Okay, and my dental plaque and tartar treatment and remedy is ready to be used. Okay, so let's go use that to brush our teeth. Follow me, let's go, keep on watching. So guys, this is your dental plaque toothpaste. Now for this dental toothpaste, you can actually make it and store it in a very airtight container. You use it 2 times in a week. It will actually whiten your teeth, remove tartar, remove cavity, and get rid of plaque also. Okay, so here I have my brush, and this is what you're going to do. Now when you're actually using this to brush, you actually would not let it stay on your teeth for too long. You have to clean it off, you know, immediately you are actually done brushing. Like you pour it off, that's what I mean, you pour it off. Okay, not clean it off, you pour it off, and so that you can actually protect your tooth enamel. Okay, so this is it. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put my brush, I'm gonna brush in an up and down direction. Brush the inside. So that is actually what I mean by when immediately you brush, then you spit it out. Okay, so that you could actually it will not affect your tooth enamel. So this is how my teeth is. Now the more you actually brush, the more improvements you get using this. Okay, I've actually told you how you can store that, and that's it. So go give this a go. Say goodbye to dental plaque, say goodbye to tartar, say goodbye to brown teeth, and have a shiny and a more whiter teeth, and you can smile very happy. Okay guys, so that's it. If you do love this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe and share, and then I will see you again in the next video. Bye.